Hey guys, today I'm going to be talking to you all about how I keep my hair healthy after bleaching it so many times. I am going to be sharing with you a few tips and tricks that I use not only to maintain the color, but to maintain shine and not have unhealthy hair. So if you guys are interested, then keep watching. And if you are new to my channel, my name is Deanndra and I put up new videos every single week, so please be sure and hit that subscribe button. The most frequent question that I see on all of my highlighting videos is how to keep it from turning orange, which I totally understand. What I do other than adding a toner after highlighting it is washing my hair with a purple shampoo. The one that I'm using right now is the J Hair Mac. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but it is for all shades of silver, gray, and blonde hair. This stuff is very affordable and so far it's worked amazing for me. I've never experienced any brassiness any of the times that I've bleached my hair, so I really think it's because I have been continuously using this purple shampoo. I've done it two ways. I've mixed the purple shampoo with my regular shampoo, and then I've shampooed my hair first and then did the purple shampoo and then did conditioner. Either way, I feel like both methods worked for me. Moving on to what I do right after I shampoo my hair, and that is do a spray conditioner of some sort. The one that I am currently using that I absolutely love is this Redken One United All-in-One Multi-Benefit Treatment. It says that it has 25 benefits, and it really does feel that way because after I use it, I notice that my hair has just extra shine. It's extra silky. It's supposed to, number 12 right here says that it helps prevent heat damage. So it's like a heat protectant spray, which I really like. Speaking of heat on your hair, I try to avoid it at all costs. So what that means is I never, ever, ever under any circumstance blow dry my hair, except for when I was trying to get the bleach to work, which it actually didn't work that way, but that's off topic. That's probably the last time that I've used my blow dryer. I don't need to straighten it or blow dry it to get it to be straight, which I really do appreciate. But I know that Carly Bybel has talked about her curly hair and her also not blow drying it, and what she does is just braid it and then sleeps in it so that it dries, and then in the morning, you know, just touches up those spots with a straightener or with a curling iron. I mean, like I said, that's not realistic for a lot of you guys, and I totally understand. That's why I definitely recommend this Redken spray after you shampoo or before you add heat. Another heat protectant that I really like is this Briogeo Rosarco Blow Dry Perfection and Heat Protectant Cream. So it's just really personal preference if you like a spray or if you like a cream type of heat protectant. I find that they both work for me before I curl my hair. This one just makes my hair extra shiny. I also use this Lock-It Coconut Curls Finishing Mist. I find that this really helps my curls last a little bit longer, so I can get away with not washing my hair as often, which is another thing that's really good for your hair, especially if it is damaged from color. I can't do a hair video without mentioning dry shampoo, and the dry shampoo that I'm using right now is this Hass Coconut dry shampoo. It does come out a little bit chalky, but it's really easy for me just to shake out my hair and blend it in. I have had some dry shampoos that just leave my hair looking chalky, so I really enjoyed that one. Number one, for the smell, and number two, how easy it is to work through my hair, which I probably need some right now, but we're gonna just tiptoe on by that. So the last tip that I have for you, and It's something that I try to do at least weekly, is apply a hair mask. I do have two types of hair masks that I like. The first one is this Whey treatment mask. This is a little sample size because I picked up the Whey favorites little sample package, but I really like this one because it's not as thick and like gunky feeling on my hair. It also smells amazing. So what I do with this one is I leave it on for about an hour and then I rinse it off. The one hair mask that I love to do that really makes my hair feel silky and shiny and healthy is coconut oil. So what I do is I just grab a whole glob of coconut oil, run it through my hair until my hair feels super greasy, and then I just braid it into Dutch braids and I leave it there all day long, or you know, however long you want, and then wash it out at the end of the day. Yeah, so that is what I do. I'll show you guys my hair. So it's probably on its third day of not being washed, so it's not as shiny right now. Oh, another thing that I do, not very often, but when I feel like I need it, is trim my hair. I have mastered trimming my own hair. I don't like to take off too much. Maybe about like 1/4 inch is how much I cut off my hair. I have made a video. I will link it right here for you guys if you want to check it out. Those are my tips on keeping your bleached or processed hair healthy. Things that I do at home that are super easy to implement into a routine. I feel like my hair is still healthy despite me bleaching it so much. I mean, it's not as healthy as it could be, don't get me wrong, but like I said, with bleach comes damage, so this is just how I avoid more damage on top of damage. I hope that you guys enjoyed these tips, and if you have anything that you do to your hair to keep it healthy, let me know down in the comments below. I would love to hear some of you guys' remedy, especially if you have a different hair type as mine. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.